It's a screwdriver.
Good one. This one screwdriver. There's a hole. It's the hole. It's the hole.
Which one?
It's the hole.
Could you help Papa? Good job.
Your foot is down. Screwdriver down. Screwdriver down. One.
Make sure they're all tight. I think that one's good. What about this one?
Two.
What about this one?
Three. Four. Another one. This is another one.
Yeah, that's another one. You have to fix it. Could you help Papa?
Two.
5. Is 5 after 2? I don't think so.
Candles.
Do they look like candles to you? That's a table. You're fixing a table.
Up.
Can you help Papa with this one?
It's a candle. It's a candle.
No, it's a table.
Table.
It's a table. What's this? What's this thing? What's this called?
The screwdriver.
Yep, that's a screwdriver. What's this?
The hole.
A hole. No, that's a screw. That's for the screwdriver.
The big one. It's a big one. A big screw. That's a big screw.
Yeah, that's a big screw. That's right. You have to be careful, right? You have to be careful when you're playing with tools.
Helping Papa. Helping Papa, Mommy. I'm helping Papa on the next table.
Yes, you are helping Papa fix the table.
What are you doing? How are you helping Papa? How are you helping
Go
Papa?
like this. Let's go like this.
Like this? What's like this? Are you turning the screw? You have to make it tighter. Can you make it tighter? Turn.
See? Jamilie's using the screwdriver.
Good job.
You made it.
You made it.
Ready now? Ready another one. Ready another one. Ready another one. Ready another one.
Okay, you gonna help Papa with another one?
Another one.
Good job. Did she, what did it do?
Oh. Uh-oh. You dropped your screwdriver.
The red one. It's the red one.
Yes, it is.
It's the red one.
I so should have put that log in there. It's like boiling down here now.
Good job.
Is there anything else? else I need to
Good
do
job,
upstairs.
Jamilie.
Good job, Jamilie.
What happened in the hole?
You're helping in the hole, yeah.
What did she say? Good job, Jamilie?
Yeah. You haven't heard her do that yet?
Yeah, I didn't hear it this time.
Oh.
Good job, Jamilie.
You
Thank
did
you.
it. Okay, Papa's turn. Papa's turn.
Jamilie, thank you. What do you say? I say thank you.
Take it the sister and roll the table.
Yeah, you did help Papa fix the table.
Whose table is it?
The one.
Okay. Okay, Jamilie. It's Papa's turn.